lived her life for Uncle Leroy.
Auntie Patsy, Auntie Patsy.
That bad black man was her pride and joy.
Auntie Patsy, Auntie Patsy.
So don't tell me how you ain't know, and that is why you behaving so. You didn't mean to extort, you ain't give it a thought, but take Auntie Patsy to court. Here one thing you must know, Patsy is Black Stalin's widow. So utmost respect is what we expect. You get sushi for a photo, that can't be the way. She own husband photo, how you mean she go have to pay?
That can't be the way.
Not cause the black man gone, you go treat him, madam, this way. Now that John Public respond, you turn victim, screaming Mayday.
That can't be the way.
You harass our angel and thought we'd leave it that way. I read the news and up to now the whole town confused. People telling me you go stay in Stalin legacy. You could be anti the UNC or anti DPNM, but it have nobody in this whole country who could be Auntie Patsy.
Auntie Patsy, Auntie Patsy, Auntie Patsy, Auntie Patsy.
Simplicity is Patsy's motto.
Auntie Patsy, Auntie Patsy.
She's known for that in San Fernando.
Auntie Patsy, Auntie Patsy.
She lives quiet like a mouse. Never dreamed she'd see a courthouse with all the housework she doing. Living bedroom, kitchen, she keeps the family striving. So she never saw the signs that you lay down some landmines. Trying to do good, Auntie Patsy get wood with thousands of dollars in fines. That can't be. When you look and see who your conscience says, say man, no way.
That can't be the way.
How you feel to take down a woman who old and grey?
That can't be the way.
Even if you was right, it had other cards you could play.
That can't be the way.
People had their say from Piaco to JFK. They were you state if you was hoping for an estate. Lingo could see that this was all about the money. You could be anti the Israeli or Maduro and them Veni, but you're walking blindly if you cannot see that you can't be Auntie Patsy. Auntie Patsy,
Auntie Patsy,
Auntie Patsy,
Auntie Patsy.
His last 8 years, she was always there.
Auntie Patsy, Auntie Patsy,
The black man got tender loving care.
Auntie Patsy, Auntie Patsy.
She knew when the chips were down, she just had to be around. She played both doctor and nurse. She put her husband first. She practiced for better or worse. That's the kind of woman who deserves some recognition. She is an example for girls to sample, a sort of inspiration. Justice must be tempered by mercy is what Shakespeare say.
That can't
media had other views, while some was getting vexed with Chelsea and others cussing Liverpool FC. It have nobody who read these stories saying that they anti-fancy.
Anti-fancy, 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 anti-fancy.
She married Stalin in 74.
Anti-fancy, anti-fancy,
Near 50 years that marriage endured.
anti-fancy, anti-fancy.
Treacher and she helped him grow. She was the backbone to Hikaiso. And when people asked she how, she said the Stalin vow was woman, we can't turn back now. Oh, a woman like this, the whole nation should cherish. Not take she to court and try to extort her heart, health and happiness. That can't be the way. If she must pay to play, where's the compassion? I say
That can't be the way.
your actions that day speak more loudly than words convey.
That can't be the way.
You say that you suffered loss, but the country's screaming no way.
That can't be the way.
Your whole attitude is something that you can't downplay. If I were you, I'd say sorry, I made a boo-boo. Bow out in grace, you still have plenty time to save face. Go watch the snow in New York City or ice enforcing security. But neither in DC nor Sandy Grande, you go see